Hola, me llamo Brigit y soy una estudiante de doctorado en la Universidad de Colorado. Espero ser una instructora internacional para los clubes de Ciencia Perú, porque tengo una pasión para enseñar neurociencia a jóvenes. Hablo español funcionalmente, pero voy a describir la propuesta para mi club, la Neurociencia de la cocina peruviana, en inglés. Taste and smell are unique in that they involve transducing a chemical sensation from specialized organs, here, the tongue and the nose, into a signal that can be processed in your brain. This makes them great senses to study as an introduction to systems neuroscience. They are also fun to study because the activities include a lot of tasting and smelling different foods. Ultimately, this is a club where we would learn about how we perceive the flavors of foods we eat, and we would use Peruvian cuisine to facilitate our discussions about taste and smell. We would first start by reviewing basic brain, head, and neck anatomy so that the students are oriented to all of the different areas that are involved in transmitting tastes and smells. Then, we would go through the 5 basic taste modalities: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. There are many fun and tasty activities involved with this, including using miraculin berries, which make everything taste sweet, even lemons, or a tea called Gymnemna sylvester, which makes everything taste bitter, to modulate how we perceive different tastes. We would also go through temperature sensation and flavor perception and discuss how smells are detected and transmitted. We would also cover research methods in chemosensation and learn about olfactory and gustatory disorders. Labs and activities would include students identifying different smells, dyeing the tips of each other's tongues with a blue food dye to identify taste cores, threshold taste testing, learning a basic cranial nerve neurological exam, and using an electrogustometer, which I will provide to examine electrical taste. As a final project for the club, the students would each come up with their own version of a perfect meal. They would be expected to be able to explain how each of the flavors they choose is transmitted, or how particular combinations of flavors might affect the transmission of chemical sensations in unique ways. Gracias por ver mi video. Espero verte en Perú.